Welcome to TunePat channel. The topic of today's tutorial is about how to download Spotify cover art. Find your target song in Spotify app or web player first. Click the icon with 3 dots on the right side of the title. Select Share, Copy Song Link option. Copy this browse to your browser and open it. You need to add the part marked in red below to the front of the link you copied and press enter to confirm. It works for all songs and albums of Spotify. Click on the link next to thumbnail URL. Now what you see is the cover art for this song or album. Click the Save Image As button to save the image to your desktop in JPG format. Next, we will teach you how to quickly get 320 Spotify music and download cover art at the same time. You need to install a TunePat Spotify converter in advance, which is a converter with Spotify web player embedded. The converted Spotify songs can be transferred to USB drive, burn into CD, or import to DJ software for mixing. Before starting the conversion, you need to complete the setting of the output parameters. In this window, you can customize the output format, sound quality, path, file name, etc. Close the pop-up window and it will be applied automatically. Open the song or album you wish to download and get the artwork. Tap on the blue Add to List button and TunePat will detect the songs. Manually tick off the one or several titles you want to convert. Choose the Convert Now button. Just be patient and wait for it to finish. TunePat adopts the most advanced 10 times speed conversion technology, which can help you save a lot of time. You have successfully obtained the Spotify local file in MP3 format. Next, add a little trick on how to change the cover of a Spotify song. Open a software called as Foobar 1000. Drag the song you want to change the cover to the blank. Right-click the song and select the Properties option. Go to the Artwork section, where you can add, modify, or export song cover art. Now have you learned how to download and change Spotify cover art, and how to save Spotify music in MP3 format? Simple, right? So that's the end of today's video. Welcome to our channel. Thank you and see you next time.